Hey, what's going on, guys? Saad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the address tag. First you need to type remove those things if you have anything. So first address, and then don't need any classes now, and you need to put any address, like this is the Facebook address, and br tab. Wait, what the heck? br tab give BR, do, or it won't go to look good. Yeah. So in this way you can give addresses. That would be epic if you do that. Like, um, you can also give a website inside the a tag. So a tag, and give this to like fv.com, and here just put Facebook, and see, is it not good? Yeah, we need to put another bi here, it won't look good. Yeah, and see, is it not awesome? But we do not put any https for that, why it's not getting anything. But yeah, you get the point, right? So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.